Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 1 Accounting for Share Capital. In previous lecture we already completed up to question number 19 from exercise. Today let us start question number 20. Gujarat Fertilizers Limited of Bharuch issued 4,50,000 shares of rupees 10 per share. Amount called up on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 3 per share, on first call rupees 2 per share and on final call rupees 2 per share. Applications were received from public of 6,20,000 shares. Allotment of 4,50,000 shares was made pro rata to 5,40,000 shares applicants. Amount paid on applications by remaining applicants were refunded by company. Mahesh, to whom 1,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the final call. His shares were forfeited and all these shares were reissued at rupees 5 per share. Past journal entries for the above transactions in the books of a company. Now, answer part. First of all, we make the necessary calculation. Amount received on application. Total 6,20,000 shares and 3 rupees. So 6,20,000 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 18,60,000 rupees. Now, amount transferred to share capital account 4,50,000 shares into 3 because in application it is given that issued 4,50,000 shares. So amount transferred to share capital only 4,50,000 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 13,50,000. Now excess amount of share application transferred to share allotment account 90,000 shares into 3 means 6,20,000 minus 4,50,000 is equal to remaining 90,000 is there, and 90,000 into 3 is equal to 2,70,000. An amount refunded to application bank account 80,000 shares into 3. So total 4,50,000, 90,000 and 80,000 is equal to 6,20,000. So 4,50,000 keep as a share capital and 90,000 into 3, 2,70,000 transfer to share application account, and remaining amount refunded to applicants 80,000 shares into 3, 2,40,000 refunded. Now on allotment, share capital 4,50,000 shares into 3, 13,50,000 minus advance amount received 90,000 shares into 3 rupees, 2,70,000 and bank account 13,50,000 minus 2,70,000 is equal to 10,80,000 bank account. On first call, 4,50,000 shares into 2 rupees is equal to 9 lakh. On final call, 4,50,000 shares into 2 rupees is equal to 9 lakh. Minus call in arrears 1,000 shares into 2 rupees is equal to 2,000 rupees. Now here 9 lakh minus 2,000 is equal to 8,98,000 bank account. On share forfeiture, share capital 1,000 shares into rupees 10 is equal to 10,000. Due final call amount 1,000 shares into 2 is equal to 2,000. 10,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 8,000 equity share forfeiture account. Now on reissue of forfeited shares. Bank account debit 1,000 shares into 5 is equal to 5,000 plus share forfeiture account debit 1,000 shares into 5 is equal to 5,000. 5,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 10,000 equity share capital account credit. Capital reserve is equal to 8,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 3,000. So this way all the calculations are there. Now we prepare the journal entries of Gujarat Fertilizer Limited. So journal entries of Gujarat Fertilizer Limited. First entry, bank account debit 18,60,000 to equity share application account 18,60,000. So 6,20,000 application received by the Gujarat Fertilizer Company. So first of all, we have to write all the amount bank account to share application account. Being application money received on 6,20,000 share at rupees 3 per share. Second, equity share application account debit 18,60,000 to equity share capital account 4,50,000 shares into 3 means 13,50,000. To equity share allotment account 90,000 shares into 3 2,70,000. To bank account 80,000 shares into rupees 3 2,40,000. This 90,000 transfer to allotment and 80,000 refunded. 80,000 shares give the applicant refund this amount as per rupees 3 per share. Being from application money amount transferred to share capital amount of allotted share, excess amount of share applicants transferred to share allotment account and amount refunded to applicants of 80,000 shares. Now third one, equity share allotment account debit 13,50,000 to equity share capital account 13,50,000. Bank account debit 10,80,000 to equity share allotment account 10,80,000. Being amount received on share allotment. Equity share first call account debit 9 lakh to equity share capital account 9 lakh. Being first call amount due on 4,50,000 shares at rupees 2 per share. Bank account debit 9 lakh to equity share first call account 9 lakh. Being full amount received on amount due on first call. Equity share final call account debit 9 lakh to equity share capital account 9 lakh. Being final call amount due on 4,50,000 share at rupees 2 per share. Eighth one, bank account debit 8,98,000 to equity share final call account 8,98,000. Being amount received on final call accept 1,000 share of Mahesh at rupees 2 per share. Ninth one, equity share capital account 1,000 shares into 10 debited 10,000 to equity share final call account 2,000 to equity share forfeiture account 8,000. Being forfeited 1,000 shares of Mahesh for non-payment of a final call. Now 10th one, bank account debit 5,000, 1,000 shares into rupees 5. Equity share forfeiture account debit 5,000 to equity share capital account 10,000. Being reissue of 1,000 forfeited share of Mahesh at rupees 5 per share. Equity share forfeiture account debit 3,000 to capital reserve account 3,000. Being balance of share forfeiture account is transferred to capital reserve account. So this way our question number 20 is over. Now question number 21. Sharda Limited issued 6 lakh equity shares at rupees 10 each at a premium of 4 per share. Amount called up as per share is as under. On application rupees 4, on allotment rupees 3 plus premium means 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 rupees. On share first and final call rupees 3. Subscriptions were received 3.5 times, out of which 4/7 the share applications were rejected fully and pro rata allotment was made to remaining applicants. Excess application money were credited to share allotment and share calls. Write the necessary journal entries in the books of Sharda Limited. Now answer part. Necessary calculation. First, securities premium 4 per share. Second, subscription were received 3.5 times. Means 6 lakh equity share into 3.5 times is equal to 21 lakh shares application. Rejected application 21 lakh into 4/7 is equal to 12 lakh. So 21 lakh minus 12 lakh is equal to 9 lakh. Remaining applicants is 9 lakh. Now pro rata allotment to the remaining application 6 lakh shares allotted to 9 lakhs applicants. Amount received by company on allotment. Amount received on applications 9 lakh share into 4 36 lakh minus application amount of allotted shares 6 lakh share into 4 24 lakh. 36 lakh minus 24 lakh is equal to 12 lakh surplus amount transferred to share allotment. Amount called on share allotment 6 lakh share into 7 3 plus 4 premium 42 lakh minus received advance amount of share allotment 12 lakh. This 12 lakh transfer here. 42 lakh minus 12 lakh is equal to 30 lakh amount received on share allotment. Now amount received on first and final call. Amount called on first and final call 6 lakh share into 3 per share is equal to 18 lakh. Now journal entries of Sarda Limited. Bank account debit 84 lakh to equity share application account 84 lakh, being amount received on 21 lakh share at rupees 4 per share for application. Second, equity share application account debit 84 lakh to equity share capital account 6 lakh into 4 rupees is equal to 24 lakh. To equity share allotment account 12 lakh. To bank account 12 lakh share into 4 is equal to 48 lakh. Being amount on 6 lakh allotted shares to share capital account surplus amount to share allotment account where amount refunded on 12 lakh rejected share to applicants. Third journal entry, equity share allotment account debit 42 lakh to equity share capital account 18 lakh to security premium account 24 lakh, being amount called on 6 lakh shares at rupees 7 per share including premium of 4 rupees. 3 rupees plus 4 rupees is equal to 7 rupees, 4 rupees for premium. Bank account debit 30 lakh to equity share allotment account 30 lakh, being amount received for share allotment. Here calculation point number 3. Fifth one, equity share first and final call account debit 18 lakh to equity share capital account 18 lakh, being amount called on 6 lakh share at rupees 3 per share. Bank account debit 18 lakh to equity share first and final call account 18 lakh, being amount received on call. See the point number 4 for the calculation. This way our question number 21 is over. Now question number 22. Question 22. The authorized capital of Shubha Limited of Mumbai is 18 lakh shares of rupees 1 each. Company issued 12 lakh shares at a premium of rupees 580 per share to public. Amount payable on this was as under. On application, rupees 290.50 per share including premium 290. On allotment, rupees 290.50 per share including premium 290. Company received 16 lakh 50,000 shares application from public. Out of these applications 1 lakh 50,000 shares were rejected and on the balance share application 12 lakh shares were allotted. All called amount were received in proper time. Company maintained the combined share application and allotment account. Pass journal entries in the books of company for above transactions. Here authorized capital is 18 lakh share but company issued only 12 lakh shares. So for in place of 12 lakh shares, company received 16 lakh 50,000 share application, and so 1 lakh 50,000 minus say 16 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000 is there, then 15 lakh shares are there and 1 lakh 50,000 is rejected and balance share application 12 lakh shares were allotted. So necessary calculation first. On application 16 lakh 50,000 received share application, rejected application 1 lakh 50,000 share into 290.5 4 crore 35 lakh 75,000 4 crore 35 lakh 75,000 bank account refunded and remaining application 15 lakh 16 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000 then remaining 15 lakh is there. From this 15 lakh they allotted shares only for the 12 lakh. So 12 lakh 0.50 into 290 then it's become share capital 6 lakh and security premium 34 crore 80 lakh and excess share 3 lakh shares are there. So amount received on application 6 lakh 50,000 share into 290.50 is equal to 47 crore 93 lakh 25,000. minus rejected application 4 crore 35 lakh 75,000. Now remaining 43 crore 57 lakh 50,000 minus application amount allotted said 12 lakh shares 290.50 34 crore 86 lakh and surplus amount transferred to share allotment account 8 crore 71 lakh 50,000. Amount called on allotment 12 lakh share into 290.50 is equal to 34 crore 86 lakh minus advance amount received on share allotment is equal to 8 crore 71 lakh 50,000. So total when we minus 34 crore 86 lakh and minus 8 crore 71 lakh 50,000, then remaining amount received on share allotment is 26 crore 14 lakh 50,000. Now journal entries. First, bank account debit 47 crore 93 lakh 25,000 to equity share application account 47 crore 93 lakh 25,000 being amount received on 16 lakh 50,000 shares at rupees 290.50 per share for share application. Second one, share application and allotment account debit 69 crore 72 lakh to share capital account 12 lakh shares into 1 12 lakh to security premium account 12 lakh share into 580 69 crore 60 lakh being application amount on allotted shares at rupees 0.50 paisa per share and amount called on allotment at 0.50 rupees per share transferred to share capital account where amount on application rupees 290 per share and called up amount on allotment rupees 290 per share transfer to security premium account. So total 290 plus 290 580 rupees transfer to security premium. Share application and allotment account debit 4 crore 35 lakh 75,000 to bank account 4 crore 35 lakh 75,000 being amount refunded on rejected application of 1 lakh 50,000 shares at 290.50 per share. So bank account debit 26 crore 14 lakh 50,000 to share application and allotment account 26 crore 14 lakh 50,000 big balance amount received on amount due on allotment. So this way our question number 22 is over. Now question number 23. Panchvila Manufacturing Limited issued 7,50,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each at a premium of 20% for public. Amount called up per share is as under with application rupees 5 with allotment rupees 4 including premium on final call rupees 3. So 10 rupees and 20% it means 2 rupees premium is there. 10 into 20 upon 100 then 2 rupees is a premium. So 5 here including premium means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is there. So 2 premium and 2 for allotment. So 5 plus 2 allotment and 7 plus 3 final call. So 5, 2 and 3 is there. It's become 10 and 2 rupees for premium. So total amount 12 rupees is there. Applications received for 11 lakh 25,000 shares. Applications for 75,000 shares were rejected and amount paid on them was refunded. Pro data allotment was made for 7,50,000 shares to the remaining applicants and excess applications money were adjusted against the amount due on allotment. A shareholder Vishal could not pay final call money on his 7,500 allotted shares. Vishal's shares were forfeited by company and reissued at a 10% discount. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of company for the above transaction. Or write journal entries in the books of the company for following. First, for share forfeiture. Second, for reissue of share. Third, for close of the share forfeiture account. First of all, answer part. Necessary calculation. 20% premium on 10 is equal to 2 rupees is there. Amount received with application 11 lakh 25,000 shares into rupees 5 is equal to 56 lakh 25,000. 11,25,000 shares application, rejected share application 75,000 shares into 5 is equal to 3,75,000 bank account. Remaining share application 10,50,000 shares, allotted shares 7,50,000 shares into 5 is equal to 37,50,000. Excess share application 3 lakh shares into 5 is equal to 15 lakh. Share capital account, share allotment. This is the share allotment account. This is share capital account. On allotment, share capital account 7,50,000 shares into 2 is equal to 15 lakh. Plus security premium 7,50,000 into 2 is equal to 15 lakh. Total 30 lakh. Amount received by company on allotment. Amount received on application 10,50,000 shares into 5 is equal to 52,50,000 minus application amount of allotted shares 7,50,000 shares into 5 37,50,000. Remaining amount is 15 lakh because 52,50,000 minus 37,50,000 is equal to 15 lakh. Surplus amount transferred to share allotment account. Amount called on share allotment 7,50,000 shares into 4 is equal to 30,000 minus advance amount received on share allotment 15 lakh. 30 lakh minus 15 lakh is equal to 15 lakh amount received on share allotment. Amount received on final call. Amount called on final call 7,50,000 share into 3 is equal to 22,50,000. Minus Vishal could not pay final call money 7,500 shares into 3 is equal to 22,500. Amount received on final call 22,27,500. Now for share forfeiture. Share capital 7,500 shares into 10 is equal to 75,000. So amount not received on final call 7,500 shares into 3 is equal to 22,500. 75,000 minus 22,500 is equal to 52,500. Reissue of forfeited shares. Bank account debit 7,500 shares into rupees 9 is equal to 67,500. So equity share forfeiture account debit 7,500 shares into 1 is equal to 7,500. Equity share capital account 75,500. So capital reserve 52,500 minus 7,500 is equal to 45,000. Now journal entries of Panchvila Manufacturing Limited. First entry, bank account debit 56,25,000 to equity share application account 56,25,000. Being amount received on 11,25,000 shares at rupees 5 per share for application. Equity share application account debit 56,25,000 to equity share capital account 7,50,000 shares into 5 is equal to 37,50,000. To equity share allotment account surplus amount 15 lakh. To bank account refunded amount 3,75,000. Being amount on 7,50,000 allotted shares to share capital accounts, surplus amount transferred to share allotment account, where amount refunded on 75,000 rejected shares to applicants. Third one, equity share allotment account debit 30 lakh, to equity share capital account 15 lakh, to security premium account 15 lakh, being amount called on 7,50,000 shares at rupees 4 per share, including premium of rupees 2. Bank account debit 15 lakh to equity share allotment account 15 lakh, being amount received for share allotment. Fifth one, equity share final call account debit 22,50,000 to equity share capital account 22,50,000, being amount called on 7,50,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Bank account debit 22,27,500 to equity share final call account 22,27,500, being amount received on final call. Equity share capital account 7,500 share into 10 debited 75,000 to equity share forfeiture account 52,500 to equity share final call account 22,500, being forfeited 7,500 share of Vishal for non-payment of final call. Bank account debit 7,500 shares into 9 rupees debited 67,500. Equity share forfeiture account debit 7,500 to equity share capital account 75,000. Being reissued of 7,500 forfeited share at 10% discount. Equity share forfeiture account debit 45,000 to capital reserve account 45,000. Being balance of forfeiture account transferred to capital reserve account. For question number 23, or write journal entry number 7, 8 and 9 from the above journal entries. So this way our question number 23 is over. Thank you very much.